Okay, here's the construction of a dilation design. Step 1. Construct a large circle with center point A and radius point B. Construct segment AB. We're going to start with the circle. We're going to label the points A and B, and we are going to construct segment AB. Step 2. In the transform menu, mark point A as center and rotate point B by 45 degrees. So if I double click, I can mark that as center. And now I'm going to rotate point B by 45 degrees. Transform, rotate, 45 degrees. I'll now label that B prime. Construct ray AB prime. So I'm going to use my ray tool. If I hold this down, I can select the ray tool. And I'm going to draw a ray from point A through point B prime. Step 4. Construct a larger circle with center point A and radius point C, where point C is on ray AB prime. Hide ray AB prime and construct segment AC. So we're going to do a new circle, and point C lies on ray AB prime. And then we're going to hide the ray. Control H will hide it. And we're going to construct a new segment, segment AC. Step 5. Rotate segment AC, point B prime, and point C by 45 degrees about center point A. So this is all going to get rotated together. Transform, rotate, 45 degrees. Okay. Let's go ahead and label these points. B double prime and C prime. This constructs points B double prime, point C prime, and segment AC prime. Step 6. Construct segment C prime D and segment DC, where D is any point in the region between the circles and between segment B double prime C and B prime C. What that means is we're just going to put a point somewhere in this region here, and we're going to label that point, point D. Step 7. Select and order segment AB and AC. Choose marked ratio in the transform menu. So we have to mark our ratio. So we're going to choose segment AB and then segment AC. Transform, mark segment ratio. And then what we're going to do is step 8. Step 8. Select segment C prime D, segment DC, and point D, and use the transform menu to dilate by the marked ratio. So we're going to go segment C prime to D and then D to C. And what we're going to do is we're going to highlight the segments in point D, and we are going to dilate them by the marked ratio. Step 9. Construct 3 polygon interiors, 2 triangles, and a quadrilateral as shown above. So now we're going to use our polygon tool. And we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. That's our first polygon. 1, 2, 3. That's our second polygon. And then 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now's your chance if you want to change the color. So if you right click on it, you should be able to adjust the colors. Make these kind of fancy. Or not. Okay, so we have our colors here. And now we're ready to finish up. So what we're going to do is we're going to select the 3 polygon interiors and dilate those closer to the center. So transform, dilate. And we're just going to keep repeating that process until we fill this in as close to the center as we can. It's going to get smaller and smaller. Okay. At that point, what we want to do is we want to rotate our design around the circle. So the easiest way to do that is if you select the polygon tool. So first of all, deselect off of everything and select the polygon tool. And if you hold down Control and press A, Control A, you'll highlight all of the polygon interiors. It's a lot easier than clicking in here and trying to get everything. From that point, we're going to transform, rotate, and we're going to rotate everything 45 degrees. Transform, rotate. 45. Transform, rotate. Transform, rotate. We're almost there. And now we're all the way around. And that's it. You've completed your design project. If you move around the points, you can see how your design would react.